guys, so thank you for watching the video. If you've gotten this far, don't forget to like and comment down below. Let's go into some more details about this wig I'm wearing. This is the Outre Melted Hairline Hali or Hali, and I have her in the beautiful, gorgeous color blue steel. She is 18 inches long, stretched, and that is very much true. So I will say I was very much impressed with this wig. The lace bomb as usual, but the plucked, oh my god, if y'all saw in the beginning, this wig was plucked for the guys already. I didn't have to do anything. This style is perfection. The way that the layers are falling is just perfect. I definitely had to pick up another one of these different color. They have some other beautiful colors as well. They have burgundy, the spice cognac. I love that, love that color, so I definitely gotta get that color. But guys, look at the plucking on this unit. And because I did have to like use my spray tint, but look at that, it's gorgeous. It's plucked to the guys, it's melted into my skin, and it was so easy to customize. I love the length of this wig. I just love everything about it. Nothing negative to say. But let me go ahead and do like a 360 again. So this is the side, the back, the side. I actually love the texture. The texture is like a light yaki texture. So yeah, it's very much natural. So it's gonna be beautiful in like a 1B2 or 1B natural colors, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to link it into my Amazon storefront so you can purchase yours. And if it's got some lip gloss right here, but if it's not on Amazon yet, I did purchase this from Elevate Styles, so you can check it out there. Thanks for watching. Bye.